So, taxonomy is a branch of science which deals with identification, classification, and naming the plants. Actually, the classification is done based on the similarities between the various species. So, what is systematic? Systematics is derived from a Latin word called systema, which means systematic arrangement. That's why Linnaeus has given the name for his book as Systema Naturae. What is that? It is Systema Naturae. It's a book written by Linnaeus, and in the systematic arrangement, the arrangement is in a structured manner, and it is usually based on the evolutionary relationship among the species. So each category or each level is known as a taxonomic category, and all the taxonomic categories are together described as taxonomic hierarchy. Hierarchy is the systematic arrangement, and the category is also known as the unit of classification or rank or taxon. In plural, the taxon is indicated as taxa. So, how insects are grouped together? By taking some common features, like all the insects have 3 pairs of jointed legs. And what is the main use of this classification? When classified properly, it is easy to identify the similarities and differences among individual species. That is, we can easily categorize the same characters as well as how it is different from each other using this classification. And it is very easy for identifying the individual. So, what is this hierarchical order or taxonomic order? Let's have an example here. So, order follows a series of steps. The lower order starts with the species, and above species is genus, above that is family, above that is order, series, subclass, class, phylum, and kingdom. So, this is the lowest level, and while going up, this will be the highest level. For example, I have here Polyalthia longifolia, so which is the common name for Ashok tree. And this longifolia indicates the species, and it belongs to the genus Polyalthia, which belongs to a family Annonaceae. In that order, it will reach from the lower stage to the upper stage. Group of individuals with similar characters are considered species. Here are some examples. Mangifera indica, which indicates mango. Solanum tuberosum, it's potato. Panthera leo is lion. Okay, so and this indica, tuberosum, leo, all these indicate species, whereas this Mangifera, Solanum and Panthera, these indicates genus. So each genus will have one or more species that have morphological similarities. Morphological means external similarities. For example, so Panthera leo indicates lion, and Panthera tigris, it indicates the tiger. We all know they have some morphological similarities. So both belongs to the same genus Panthera. Humans, the scientific name is Homo sapiens. Here the Homo is the genus name and sapiens is the species name. Genus is the next higher level after species. So what is a genus? It consists of group of related species. For example, Panthera leo, Panthera tigris and Panthera pardus. Here you can see all the genus name is same, but the species name varies. Here leo indicates lion, tigris indicates tiger, and this pardus indicates leopard. They have some common features, and hence they are put together in this genus Panthera, which is different from another genus Felis, which includes group of cats. So the next higher level after genus is family. So family includes group of related genera, which is the plural form for genus. Plural for genus. So the genus having more similar characteristics are put together in a level called family. So here the categorization is based on the similarities in the vegetative as well as the reproductive features. Vegetative features is the external appearance, and we all know reproductive features is the reproducing ability or some common structures regarding reproduction. And let's have the same example so that it will be easy for you to understand. So already we have seen tiger, leopard and lion are placed under this genus Panthera, and cats are placed under Felis. But we know they both the Panthera genus and the Felis genus have more similarities, and hence they are put together under family Felidae. And cats and dogs, when we compare cats and dogs, they have some similarities as well as some differences. To indicate these differences, they are separated into two different families. One is Felidae, another is Canidae. And Felidae family includes cats as well as we have already seen its Panthera. And Canidae includes the dogs and related species. The next higher level is the order. Order includes group of families. So when compared to families, the similar characters will be less. For example, Felidae and Canidae are grouped together in an order Carnivora. We know they are different. Both cats and dogs are different, and their similar characters are very, very less, but they are grouped under an order Carnivora for the few similar characters among them. So the next higher rank will be the class. It includes related orders. So far we have seen Carnivora as the order. So here let's have an example for the class Mammalia. It includes, so many orders will be included. But since we are proceeding with this Carnivora, I am going to explain it with another order, that is Primata. So Carnivora, you all know, it includes dogs, cats and related ones, whereas Primata includes monkey and gorilla. This monkey is far different when compared to dog in its external features and many things. But why they are put together? They are put together because they have a common feature, that is mammary gland. Mammary glands are milk producing glands. They can produce milk for their young ones, as well as they are warm blooded animals. So they are included under a common class Mammalia. So as the rank goes high, the differences will be more when compared to the similarities. They are put together for those similar nature. The next higher rank will be phylum. All the related classes will be taken under phylum. Here let's have an example of a phylum, Chordata. So what are Chordata? All the individuals or species with backbone will fall under phylum Chordata. In your book, two things are given. One is notochord and dorsal hollow neural system. Let's see what's that. So when you take embryo, that is the small one as it forms in the mother's womb, all these things, dogs, cats, monkeys, humans, all the embryos at one particular stage, they will look similar. You cannot differentiate which embryo belongs to which animal or species. So in that stage they have notochord. So above this notochord is the dorsal hollow neural system. So what's this notochord? It just forms like a skeletal support. It gives the support like a skeleton, as well as it signals the formation of other tissues. And this dorsal hollow neural system will later develops into the brain and spinal cord. After one particular stage, they will gain their characters, and it will grow into the respective species. But at one particular stage, all the embryos will look similar, hence why they are under a same phylum Chordata. The highermost rank will be kingdom, where various phyla are put together, and it's easy to understand. All the animals are placed under kingdom Animalia, and all the plants are placed under kingdom Plantae.